So before this video gets started, if you want to become a Postmates driver and start delivering food and making $20, $30, sometimes even $40 per hour, use my link and code down below so you can get some extra money when you use my code, and you can get a guaranteed amount of $500 up to $700, sometimes even up to $1,000 depending on your area, depending on how many new drivers they need. And demand is through the roof right now, so hop on that right now. Use my link to sign up for Postmates. And now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. My name's Dylan and this is my channel, the Rideshare Hub. Congrats to everyone who's watching this. We hit 40,000 subscribers. We did it together, so thank you to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button so you can get updated with new videos all the time in the gig economy space. What we're talking about today is Postmates. So something really interesting has happened. Sorry, I can't talk. I'm like literally, guys, I went to Starbucks today. I couldn't decide what to get. I got 2 drinks at Starbucks. So Postmates, guys, if you guys haven't heard, was bought by Uber for over $2 billion. B with a B. Billion with a B. Think about how much money that is, guys. $2.65 billion. Think about it when somebody hands you $1. You're like, awesome, I just got a $1 tip. Now imagine if 2.65 billion people hand you $1. It's a lot of people. That's a lot of dollars. Uber was like, well, we already have Uber Eats, but let's hit up Postmates too. And that's what they did. They bought them for $2.65 billion. So a lot of Postmates shoppers in lieu of that have been seeing a huge increase in demand. Why? Because you know, people are now like, okay, well shoot, Postmates app is way better now because Uber's buying, well, people are more familiar with Postmates. And one thing that Postmates has that Uber Eats doesn't is that you can actually shop at grocery stores with Postmates too and get alcohol delivered, which is like not, I don't really think that you can do that on like DoorDash and like other stuff. So let me just sync up my phone here. I can show you guys. So look at this. Uber agrees to buy Postmates delivery service for $2.5 billion. Look at him. He's like, I know we already have Uber Eats, but I want Postmates too. Give me that good old money. I want more money. I know I only make... Dude, you guys know Uber CEO makes like millions of dollars each year. In his whole like COVID thing, he's like, I'm donating the rest of my salary for this year. Keep in mind, he makes over $1 million a year in salary, plus he gets like millions and millions in stock. He didn't donate any of his stock. He just donated like 45% of his salary, which was like $400,000. And his look at this, Uber CEO, what's it called, net worth, what, 200 million, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh, Travis Kalanick's net worth is 2.65 billion. What's his name? Dara Khosrowshahi. What's his name? Khosrowshahi, something like that. 220 million. I was pretty close. Regardless, if you want to sign up for Postmates, guys, this is the time to hop on. I wish they would give us some some stock. Oh, lunch rush is here. It's lunchtime. Customers are placing orders near you. Look at this, guys. Demand is through the roof right now. Look at all these places that have huge demand. I might low-key even go drive in LA just so I can hit these, because I want to do some over here. I want to hit up like Beverly Hills and stuff and do some food delivery there just because it's fun. I love Beverly Hills. But yeah, guys, I was just gonna say in this video that like, oh guys, look at this. By the way, check it out, brah. I got 175 bucks. $175. I was just gonna say, guys, check out Postmates. Demand is up right now. This huge deal just happened. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of drivers have already said that they're making more money on Postmates than they are on other apps too. I can just go on my my Facebook group really quick and show you guys that, like, look at this. This is an Uber Facebook group. And people are in here talking about Postmates. Now look that they crowded Postmates and they're acting like Postmates effed off. Like, people are like, okay, so look at this. Okay, so Uber bought Postmates. Hopefully now drivers can, I did Postmates once. This guy, Catherine Hargett, Postmates is gonna die. Yeah, right, dude. They just got bought for $2 billion. I don't think they're gonna die. I once had 2 deliveries to get my bonus. I didn't get a single offer. I guess these people don't really like Postmates, but honestly, I'm gonna see. It might be interesting to see if Postmates and Uber Eats like collab together, and if you can get more money to drive for both apps. But I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. Again, use my link and promo code down below to sign up for Postmates if you want. Otherwise, sign up for GetUpside so you can get that 15 cents back per gallon, baby. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon.